Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel.
Baby, baby, you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me tryna stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover.
So, as y'all can see, today we got another braiding video. It's summer, so I like to do protective styles most of the time during the summer. So today we doing long box braids, and I'm gonna do triangle shaped. I'm definitely gonna do triangle shaped. So I got these long packs of hair, like 36 inch. Wow. I got 7 packs. That should be all we need for this hairstyle. Also, you know, you gotta have your red tooth comb, and you gotta have your jam of choice or your edge control of choice. I'm never specific on edge control, but some people are. We're not using rubber bands for this method. We're doing straight hair to weave contact. That didn't make no sense. Before we start this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I have a lot of more content coming for y'all, and I decided to do this little video in my room just to change the setting, because I did my last couple videos in the bathroom, so I think I'm gonna just do it in my room today. I have my mirror right here if you see me looking straight, and let's get into it, y'all.
She's a Mona Lisa.
To start this off, I actually split my hair into 3 sections. I did 2 in the front and 1 in the back. This was just a guideline to start my braids. I did a total of 4 rows for each section in the front. To give the triangle effect, I slant my parts.
You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar.
For the front, I was actually pulling out very small pieces. Normally I do a medium and make them bigger, but I wanted my front to be smaller, so I made sure to grab smaller pieces of hair. As you can see, I split my piece into 2, and then I wrap one around the other. I'm going to take that middle piece and put it under my real hair, and I'm going to twist that right piece under the middle piece. I'm going to pull it tight and twist the left piece under the middle piece. And I'm going to keep repeating.
There must be something about the features. You'll find the beauty.
It might seem confusing now, but y'all going to be pros by the time this video over.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about the features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Once again, we're parting at a slant to give the triangle effect.
Feeling like Picasso, she brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way, you didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that yeah, who really care what's.
Once again, we're going to twist the right under the middle, and then we're going to twist the left under the middle. Then we're going to twist the right under the middle again, then the left under the middle, and we're just going to repeat.
Slow it down like that, just hold me down like that, yeah.
She's a Mona Lisa.
I'm going to twist that right under the middle, I'm going to pull it tight, and twist the left under the middle. And I'm going to repeat.
You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about the features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
I like to fight a little dirty, baby. If I opened up and caved in, would you hurt me, baby? I've been feeling like an alien, a refugee, an outsider. But sometime, you the first one made my heart beat, made my stomach drop with desire. It's no crime. I need a little bit of love. the guns blow. Run from you, or we can let the war start for us two.
Oh, so we done with the front. Finally, so we're gonna start on the back, y'all. It's 11:58 p.m. I'm hoping I'm done by 4. My God.
I basically already had the back pre-parted out. I'm basically going to do the same thing. I'm going to take that right piece, I'm going to put it under the middle piece and catch the left. I'm going to pull it tight, and I'm going to take that right piece again and pull it under the middle. The left piece under the middle, the right piece under the middle, the left piece under the middle, and repeat.
From here, never go back. We'll never go back. From you, I need a little bit of trust. From you, or we can let the guns blow. Run from you, or we can let the war start for us two. Please don't change, please don't stop. When you leave, breaks my heart. I've been down, you've been hurt. Since that day I put you first. Or we can let the guns blow.
Days are long, your car won't start. It's hard to fix shit with a broken heart. I know growing up, it's not what it seems. Man, half of you is 30, half is 17. Wish we could live in the moment. It gets harder and harder to focus. We just ran, so it's harder to own it. So if it helps ya, I'm here with ya. Baby, don't you cry no more. I got 2 arms in an open door. Sure as there's a night and day, I know things are gonna be okay.
Alright, y'all. So it's currently
You and I are the same. Ain't a thing that could change.
It's currently 3:06. I'm not gonna dip my hair tonight. I'm gonna dip it in the morning, so I'm gonna get back to y'all in the morning.
Wide open. It's scary like a sci-fi show. And you're cruising down the I-5 hoping that for once the time will fly by slower. Wish we could live in the moment. It gets harder and harder to focus. We just ran, so it's harder to own it. So if it helps ya, I'm here with ya. Baby, don't you cry no more.
Alright, y'all. So this is the final look. Let me turn around so I can see how long. Yeah, y'all. I really like it. I'm looking right here because I'm looking at myself. It's really cute. It came out good. It took me a good amount of hours. But I got it done. So if y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. If y'all want to do some videos like this and y'all actually follow my tutorial, please DM me a picture. That would be very much appreciated, y'all. So I'll be back with y'all in my next video, and I love y'all. See y'all later.
Girl, you know you can